What if I told you that the images you're seeing aren't created by human hands but by artificial intelligence? Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to the future of creativity, a realm where artistry is no longer confined to the human hand. AI image generation is the game-changing technology that's reshaping how we perceive and interact with digital art. It's a realm where pixels come to life under the command of complex algorithms, crafting visuals that sometimes surpass our wildest imaginations. From transforming simple sketches into detailed masterpieces to creating entirely new visuals from mere descriptions, AI image generation is revolutionizing the creative landscape. We stand at the cusp of this revolution, witnessing the evolution of digital artistry and the dawn of a new era in creativity. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI image generation, comparing two powerhouses in this field, Midjourney V6 and Dall-E 3. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this thrilling journey of discovery and innovation. First off, let's talk about Midjourney V6. This AI is no ordinary image generator. Midjourney V6 is a force to be reckoned with in the realm of AI image generation. Its strength lies in its ability to produce high-resolution images that are practically indistinguishable from those captured by a camera. This is possible due to its advanced learning algorithms that continuously evolve, refining the AI's understanding of image composition, color, and depth. But what truly sets Midjourney V6 apart from the rest is its flexibility. It's not just limited to creating images from scratch. It can enhance existing images, add details where they are lacking, and even remove unwanted elements. Imagine a tool that allows you to customize your images to such an extent, all while maintaining a high level of realism. However, as impressive as Midjourney V6 is, it does have its drawbacks. One of which is its need for large datasets. It thrives on information, and the more it has, the better. This requirement can be a hurdle for those who don't have access to such resources. Additionally, Midjourney V6 demands high computational power. It's not something that your average laptop can handle, making it less accessible to the general public. While Midjourney V6 is a powerful tool, it's not without its challenges. Now let's see how Dall-E 3 stacks up. Meet Dall-E 3, a formidable contender in the realm of AI image generation. This powerful tool is turning heads and raising eyebrows with its impressive capabilities. Dall-E 3 is not just an upgrade from its predecessor, but a revolutionary leap forward. It boasts efficient learning algorithms that enable it to master the art of image creation in record time. Whether you're after a surreal landscape or a realistic portrait, Dall-E 3 is up to the task, generating unique and creative images with ease. But what sets Dall-E 3 apart is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you can navigate its features like a pro. That's right, you don't need to be a coding guru to harness the power of this AI beast. However, no tool is without its flaws. Dall-E 3, despite its advanced capabilities, does have its limitations. Its range of image styles, though diverse, is not infinite. Occasionally it produces images that, while unique, can be nonsensical. These are minor hiccups in an otherwise stellar performance, but they are worth mentioning. Dall-E 3, with its unique strengths and weaknesses, certainly gives Midjourney V6 a run for its money. And as the world of AI continues to evolve, who knows what exciting developments we'll see next. Stay tuned, because the battle for AI image generation supremacy is only just heating up. So, how do these two giants in AI image generation compare? Let's dive right in. Midjourney V6, with its robust algorithm, excels in creating realistic images, often leaving you questioning whether it's AI-generated or a real photograph. However, where it surpasses in realism, it falls short in flexibility, producing less diverse results. On the other hand, Dall-E 3 shines in its ability to generate a wide array of images from a single input. Its versatility is truly remarkable, making it the perfect tool for those seeking a more creative approach. Yet it does tend to lean towards the abstract, sometimes compromising on the realism of the output. So it's not about which is better, but rather which is better suited for your purpose. Both Midjourney V6 and Dall-E 3 bring unique strengths to the table, making the world of AI image generation a truly exciting space. But remember, the best tool often depends on your specific needs and goals.